take my granulated sugar and sugar them up. I love sugar. Then we're gonna take our kebab and pick up all of these grapes. We will prep for our next step. And once we have a kebab, we will put this entire rack in the freezer to chill. So we're gonna let these grapes chill in the freezer for about 1 hour, and then we'll come back to it. Our next step is going to be making the mixture for the popsicles. So I have some grape juice and some lemon lime juice. I'm gonna add all of that and a little bit more Sprite. That's just my preference. Then we are going to take our Sour Patch Kids. Then take our spoon and mix it up really well. Kinda wanna drink this now, but popsicles are gonna be great. Then we're going to pour into each mold. Still foamy from the Sprite, but that's all right. And leave a little bit of room at the top as they will expand a little bit in these popsicle molds. You can get any of these at a grocery store near you. They have the different sizes. I think this one is going to be perfect for our recipe. So we're gonna put our final lid and go to the freezer. We're gonna let them sit for about 3 to 4 hours. It's best to do it overnight so they can fully set. So we're gonna start making our chocolate decor for our grapevine. So I grabbed some leaves, make sure you wash them, and lightly press down. You wanna get a good layer for when we peel it off. Place it on your plate and grab the other one. Press it down again and swipe it. Very carefully place your leaf down, and we are going to move on to our next step. So our popsicles have fully set in the freezer. So we have some melted white chocolate. Going to take it and dip, lift it, shake off some of the chocolate, dip it again so it has a good layer. Then we're going to take it and place it onto our grapes and press down so before the chocolate sets, it can adhere to the grapes. Then we're going to take our skewer Okay, so we're gonna take our last 2 grapes on our skewer, press down, make sure they stay. We'll finish decorating. So we're gonna finish building the top of our grapes. So we're gonna take some more white chocolate, put it on the top. And we're gonna grab our grapes. You'll have to do this quickly because the temperature difference in the grapes and the popsicle. So we're gonna take our candy melt leaf. After it's dipped in white chocolate, you're going to place it on top of your grapes.